Hello, my name is Dohyun, and I'd like to introduce my house in a box project. This is a boarding house project by a construction company named Dohyun. By doing the project, I searched for some references and I was inspired by this idea that using one large unit as a structure basis rather than assembling every part like wall and floors into a house. First idea is to slide out all the structures from an original container. But I found that solving heat insulation problem of sliding joints will be not easy. Therefore, I thought that many thermal breaches will occur in these sliding joints. But I keep the idea of using one large unit as a structure basis. This is the house I designed, and my house is fully shippable in one shipping container, including some essential furniture. This is the inside of shipping container. It contains structural units like wall, floor, and ceiling, and structural frames like steel pipe beams and columns, and some furniture and assembly parts. After unpacking the container, this is how the basic unit looks like. Insulation walls and doors is pre-installed, and mechanical equipment like vents and water supply equipment is already installed. So you don't have to install it while constructing, and you can just connect it and use it from the basic unit. And also, electrical equipment like electrical switches and lighting and batteries are already installed. Plumbing fixtures such as toilet, sink, and shower booths are already installed. So you only have to connect the water supply pipe and sewage pipe to other sources and use it. And also, cooking equipment such as small refrigerator and induction and counters are already installed. This unit structure is formed of reinforced concrete which is precasted in the factory, and there is flat footing placed under the main unit to stabilize the house when it's placed on the ground. I will explain how to assemble the house. There is a pre-cut tube hole at the top and the bottom of the main unit. The first step is to insert steel tube pipe into pre-cut tube hole. Each steel pipe is 8 meters long and has a diameter of 7 centimeters, and its thickness is about 10 millimeters. Its weight is about 120 kilograms, so 3 men can easily assemble the steel pipe. Next is floor panel. Each panel consists of steel plate and insulation material. Next step is to assemble floor panel and hanging parts with bolts and nuts using the pre-pierced hole. Each floor panel have chassis to connect tightly with other units and installations. Paint glue materials over the joints and slide each floor unit into steel pipe beams. You can easily slide this floor panel into steel pipes. And this task should be done in the both sides of the house to prevent bending of the steel frame. Next is to insert tackle pins among each unit for tight connection and to prevent thermal breach. Next, place footing units in the right place to insert pipe column ladder. This footing unit is specially designed to insert pipe columns. Next is to insert wall unit following the floor panel units layer. Likewise, insert other wall panels following the floor panels layer. Same with floor panel, tighten joints between wall panels using tacker pins. Next step is to assemble ceiling units with the same method of floor panels. Next step is to tighten joints between panel units using tacker pins for waterproof and preventing thermal breach. Next, install wall unit with pre-installed window. The window is pre-installed on factory, so it has a better connection condition than assembling it on the site. Also, this wall panel has a 90-degree angled corner for better connection between wall panel and ceilings and floors. Each wall unit's joints is designed for tight connection and heat insulation between wall panels. Same with our cases, tighten joints with staple gun. And next, insert steel pipe column unit into cylinder footing unit placed before. And join beam and column units with assembling part and nut and bolt with high tension. Same way, join each frame connection with nut and bolts. Now, assembling the house structure is completed. The area of the house is 56 square meters. In last, place furniture like desk and bed, and connect water pipes and electrical wires with outer sources. This is a time-lapse video of disassembling the house into shipping container to show that this house is fully shippable within a shipping container. These are my references that I used. Thanks for listening my presentation, and have a nice day.